morning friends, welcome to UPSC based MCQs practice. Okay, now let's see today's first questions. First question is, consider the following statements. Tamil Nadu ranks first in angiosperm diversity in Indian states. It has the longest coastline in India. Pause the video and choose the correct options. Okay, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Okay, hope you have chosen. Here is correct answer is only one. Tamil Nadu ranks first in angiosperm diversity in Indian states, and the longest coastline in India is Gujarat. Okay, now second on, let's see the second questions. Second question, which of the following are matched correctly? Okay, invention, inventor, Colt revolver, Samuel Colt, matchmaker, Roy Dolby, saxophone, Adolph Sax. Okay, pause the video and choose the correct options. Hope you have chosen. Now here is correct option is C. C is the correct options. 1 and 3 are the correctly match. Colt revolver, Samuel Colt, and the saxophone, Adolph Sax. Okay, now let's see the third questions. Okay, let's see. Which among the following is not a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Which among the following is not, here the question, not a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Okay, A. Chola temples, B. Nilgiri mountain railways, C. Meenakshi temple, D. Both A and C. Okay, pause the video and choose the correct options. Okay, hope you have chosen. Here is correct option is C. Correct option is C. Meenakshi temple is not a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Other than Chola temple and Nilgiri mountain railways, both are the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Okay, now let's move ahead. The fourth questions. Here is, Dodabetta, the highest peak in Tamil Nadu, is in. Okay, pause the video and choose the correct options. Now, hope you have chosen. Let's see the options. Nilgiri Hills, Shivrai Hills, Javadi Hills, Annamalai Hills. Where is it is situated? Dodabetta, which hills? The highest peaks. Now choose. Hope you have chosen. Here is correct option is Nilgiri. Correct option is Nilgiri. Okay, now let's move ahead. Question number 5. Kepler's laws are related to. Now listen again. Kepler laws are related to population theory, semiconductor behavior, planetary motion, organizational management. Pause the video and choose the correct options. Okay, hope you have chosen. Here is correct option is C. Correct option is C. Planetary motions. Kepler laws are related to planetary motion. Okay, now let's see the 6th number questions. Which of the following pairs are is correctly matched? Okay, now let's see. Satyam Mangalam Tiger Reserve is situated in Erode. Guindi National Park is situated at Chennai. Kalakad Mandanthuri Tiger Reserve is situated at Coimbatore. Which is the correct match? Pause the video and choose the correct options. Okay, hope you have chosen. Okay, here is correct option is B. B is the correct options. It means correctly match 1 and 2. Correctly match 1 and 2. Now let's see the 7 number questions. Okay guys, which of the following is not? Always care the not. One of the robotics laws given by Isaac Asimov. Okay, let's the see options. A robot may not harm a human being or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm. A robot must obey the order given to it by human beings except any order of harming a human. A robot must protect its own existence. A robot must not acquire intelligence and knowledge. Okay, choose the correct option, which is the not correct related the robotics law. Okay, hope you have chosen. Here is correct option is D. It means it is not correct. A robot must not acquire intelligence and knowledge. Not. It has acquire intelligence and knowledge. Now let's see the question number 8. Okay, question number 8. Consider the following statement with reference to Jallikattu bull fight in Tamil Nadu. Last year it was in news. Okay, Jallikattu, very controversy. Its case also has gone to Supreme Court. Now let's see the option. The name Jallikattu refers to the bundles of money or pieces of gold that are knotted into the bull's horns during the game. Okay, now second. The participants have to tame the bull using a special probe instrument. Heartening the bull is not acceptable while taming them. Okay, pause the video and choose the correct options. Okay, hope you have chosen the correct options. Here is correct option is C. Correct option is C. 1 and 3 are the correct. Okay, now let's see the ninth number questions. Okay, which of the following law is related to human rights? Human rights. Okay, now options: Ohm's law, Graham's law, Snell law, and Mayon's law. Mayon's law. Okay, pause the video and choose the correct options. Here is correct option is Moynihan's law. Okay, here is correct option is Moynihan's laws. Now let's see the next question. Question number 10. Okay, consider the following statements with reference to Pongal. Okay, we know Pongal festival. Okay, let's see the options. It is a festival of thanksgiving to nature. Here is some mistake printing. Okay, thanksgiving to nature. The word Pongal means to dance. It is held in the month of Thai. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Okay, pause the video and choose the correct options. Here is correct. Here is the options and choose here which are the correct. Okay, hope you have chosen. Correct option is here C. C is the correct options. It means on and 3. On and 3 is the correct. On and 3 is the correct. Now let's see the uh, statistical parts. Last question 11. Which of the following law states that if you have difficult task, give it a lazy persons, they will find an easier way to do it? Hadal law, Adams law, Dalton law, Stokes law. Pause the video and choose the correct options. Okay, hope you have chosen. Yes, correct option is A. Hallett, Hallett's law. Okay, now come to the current affairs. Friends, we will daily practice 4 or 5 questions from current affairs. Okay, now let's see the first current questions. With reference to Hornbill Festival, okay, Hornbill Festival was in news. Which of the following statements are correct? Now pause the video and choose the correct options. Hornbill Festival is celebrated every year in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Japan made its debut at Hornbill Festival with a performance of electronic band. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Okay, pause the video and choose the correct options. Hope you have chosen. Here is correct option is B only. Japan made its debut at Hornbill Festival with a performance of electronic band. Okay, now let's see the second question. Consider the following events. Okay, Paika Rebellion, Santhal Rebellion, Diwan, Belu Thampi Revolt, Ahom Revolt. Which of the following are correct chronological sequence of the above events? Okay, pause the video and choose the correct options. Okay, hope you have chosen. Correct option is B. This is the sequence. First Veluthampi revolt, after that Paika revolt, after that Ahom revolt, after that Santhal rebellions. Okay, now move ahead. The current question number 3rd. Okay, which of the following is not the part of UNESCO list of intangible cultural heritage? Intangible cultural heritage. Kutiyattam, Kalbeliya, Ramlila, and Theriyattam. Okay, pause the video and choose the correct options. Hope you have chosen. Now let's see. Here is D is the correct options. This is the intangible cultural heritage in UNESCO list. Is not in UNESCO list. After that, A, B, C are the list are in UNESCO heritage list, intangible culture list. Okay, now question number 4. Let's see. With reference to Arya Samaj, consider the following statement. The Samaj was set up by the Dayanand Saraswati at Calcutta in 1875. The Samaj fixed the minimum marriageable age at 25 years for boys and 16 years for girls. The Samaj slogans back to the Vedas was a call for a revival of Vedic learning and not a revival of Vedic times. Okay, choose the correct option. Pause the video and choose the correct option. Okay, friends. Hope you have chosen. Okay, question number 4. Here is correct option only 1. A is the correct options. The Samaj was set up by Dayanand Saraswati at Calcutta in 1875. Okay, today's maximum time I have taken. Tomorrow we will fast do and we will explain something also in answer. today I am unable to give you explanation with explanation because mm, earlier we have taken more time, 15 minutes we have done. Okay guys, hope you will you will take more and more benefit and do practice more and more, because practice remove the uh, hesitations and the remove the confusion. And until and unless we will not practice, we can't do better, because practice makes human perfect. And if we will read more and more book, this it will not uh, only on this practice only on not will not help us in our study or in our preparation. So hope that particularly UPSC uh, aspirants must do practice more and more MCQs. Mm, thank you guys, hope that you will be benefited from this video. Thank you. Okay, bye.